Connie's getting too old for it.
Where's the mom?
Around the corner trying to get a nap.
Oh, okay.
She's right behind over on the bridge. Silly boy. That's right. She can do just like Daddy.
Aww, look at them do it for each other.
He's trying to do what he was doing. There we go. Let's all do it together. Crazy.
Peekaboo. Time for peekaboo.
I don't know if she can hear sound.
He wants her to take that off him. There we go. He put it on his head so she'd pull it off. I gotta take it back. We're gonna do that game again.